It's time to get on with our next Let's Go Anywhere May 19th online crop and to show you all the great layouts that you could be creating for your travel and adventures, right? So let's look at, we have lots of layouts here. We have 4 layouts, that's 8 pages, but there's also a bonus layout if you decide to go with the card kit, and I'll show you that as well. So it's just such a great collection with colors. We have some blues and browns, French vanilla, pine and sage, gray with the mink, but what a great deal. Now, hopefully you were able to get the scrapbooking workshop kit. If not, right now the paper pack and sticker sheet is still available, as well as the coordinating cardstock and some die cuts. So you should jump on board and get that and just forgo this look right here. There's some patterned paper that's included, but really you could use cardstock to create the same layouts. Now, right here, you're going to see this is one of the stamp sets. This is the card making one. I really loved the whole line for Let's Go Anywhere. And this is no longer available with thin cuts, but you can easily use this to stamp cards, but I'm using it on my layouts and just fussy cut around the heart. This is another great one. This is the scrapbooking stamp set for Let's Go Anywhere. And basically the world, the passport, and the suitcase are the thin cuts and the glasses. So this is another great stamp set to have in your arsenal. The titles are really fun, so you'll see how I've used them on the layouts. This is your first set of pages, and this is using the exclusive paper, but you can easily use toffee cardstock to create this look. And you can see here, this is the exclusive die cuts that come in here. But you can definitely use any other pattern paper to create a triangle look and still create the same design if you missed out on the workshop kit. Let's get a closer look. Here's the stamp set that's included in the workshop kit. So we're just doing a little bit of stamping, and we have our stickers that we're adding. I did use a 3x4 flip flap, and now you can see I used the heart in a second generation scarlet to create a little look or design for the journaling. Now this compass is out of the G1302 Cardmaking kit for Let's Go Anywhere, and I really like this for travel. So you can see we have some of our stickers here as well, and another sticker here. And I used that striped diagonal embossing folder to get this fun look on the pine cardstock and stamp this in toffee ink. The embellishments of the die cuts are kind of fun to play with. Now you can see how I stamped here, and here's that Wonder die cut. And let's go on to the next set of pages. I love the blue, right? The sapphire, a little bit of periwinkle, pine, and French vanilla, and then scarlet here, as well as mink. Love the details. So let's check them out. Here's that heart that's stamped in scarlet on scarlet. Same with the passport, same with the sunglasses. These 3 are the thin cuts. Now this one right here is out of the decorative thin cuts. So I stamped that, but you can easily stamp an arrow or create a dovetail if you'd like. Stamp my little arrows here, and it's just a really cute feature on these pages. Continue the stamping over to the right side, and Enjoy is a die cut. Adventure Awaits is stamped, and once again you can see that compass that's out of the G1302 Cardmaking kit. I really love playing with that. I'll be using that a lot. The next set of pages, this page is featured in the catalog, so I wanted to replicate it, but added another page. Now you can see I haven't been anywhere, but it's on my list as stamped. Changed this up a little bit, and I love all the stamped and sticker look up here for interest. Here it is, so you can see this is stamped. I'm out of here. Adventure and Awaits is stamped, and we have stickers. And then you have some of your die cuts, and this is stamped as well on shortbread cardstock in toffee ink. The world is stamped, the suitcase, this passport. We stamped the airplanes on the back of this cute little tag, and I stamped the map on the die cut here. And there's your title. It really is a great title. Just some more of the details on those pages. Love this. This is a sticker, Travel with Me, and this is also a sticker, and the die cut the world. So Travel the World with Me is my idea of my title on this side, and definitely tearing and sponging some paper on these layouts. Another layout right here is, I haven't been anywhere, but it's on my list, is Stamped Again, using a lot of the fun paper patterns, some of the stickers, and the stamped images to create a really fun look. Now, this is the card making kit, which is available. I would snap it up because this really has some great sayings in here. There's a couple more up here. And then you have lots of different cardstock and these 2 sheets of pattern paper, cards and envelopes, stamp set, thin, and the die cuts here, and your thin cut is the compass. This, and this. So, love these little arrows. Stitching lines are always right up my alley, too. So you can make, on the day that we're doing the event, I'm using half of it to create 8 cards and the other half to create another layout. So these cards are really fun. Change out the sayings if you'd like for birthday and make them masculine. Now here's the bonus layout. Really had fun, and I'm using the decorative thin cuts to create this teardrop stitched look on the pages. But we have our stamping, and there's that diagonal again being used, and I'm going to show you a close-up of the diagonal being used. Now this is decorative thin cuts, but let's say you don't have this. Cut a 2x2 square and corner around 2 of the corners, and you'll be good to go. Here's where I took the die cuts, Let's Go, and I am featuring a fun technique on what you can do with the striped diagonal to create this look. And that's it. Well, I hope you'll join me May 19th from 1 to 5 p.m. Everything will be recorded. It'll be on a private Facebook group. It's only $35, so you can create 10 pages and 8 cards with me. So I hope you'll join in. You can find the details at lynncomo.com.